Let's play the puzzle.
So are you gonna ask or you want mommy to?
No.
Take turns, okay?
What is?
Let me see. It's a moon? No? A mountain. Is that right? Mountain? Yeah, where should I put? Here?
No.
No? Here?
No.
Wow. This one?
Yeah.
Yes, but I couldn't fit. Oh, turn to another side. Oh, wow. Correct. Okay. What is it? No, say a correct one.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Yeah, where should it be? You put it there.
Here.
No, I couldn't fit.
Ha.
Where? Oh, good job. Correct. In the right shape. Yes. Okay. And what is this? What?
The cow. No.
No, it's a cow here, but actually the thing that dropped down. What's this? The rain. Where should it be? Now the rain is not so cold. No. Where? Yes, I know you know it. You just act like you don't. Huh? Okay. And what is this one?
Flower.
Flower. Where should it be?
Here.
No. Say yeah, just put in the correct way.
Here.
Yes, good job. A little bit. Is it on the wrong side? Yes, okay. You got it. Okay. What is this?
Umbrella.
Yes, where? It looks like a mushroom, huh? Wow. Move down. Okay. All right. And what is this one?
Twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. All right. So just remember from the song. Twinkle, little star. Where should it be?
Here.
Yes. All right. Good. And now, where is this? Where is it? Yes, cow. Where? Oh, so quick. What about this one? Yes, pronounce it.
Pronounce it.
No, the earth.
The earth.
Yes, where should it be? Yes. What about this one? What is this? Yes, good job. All right, can you find where should it be? Yes. Good. Okay. What's about this one? Now tell me.
Tree.
The tree, right. Okay, coconut tree. Yes, correct. Yeah. And then press. Yeah, more pressure. Yes, okay. Okay. The last one. What is this? The wind.
Wind.
Windy. It's windy. Where should it be? Uh-oh. Yes. Good job. Wow, you did it. All right. Say your time to tell me if you could remember. Okay. Tell mommy. What is this one? What? That. Yes. Good. And rainbow. Star. Umbrella. The moon. The cloud. The flower. And the mouse. No. What?
Mountain.
Yes, good girl. And oh yeah. The end. Close. All right. Get close to the earth. All right. What about this one? Blowing. The wind. Yeah, wind is the last one. Rain. Yes, alright. Okay, I got something else.